A boy was as lonely as can be. A girl was sad. She sat by a tree. They casually said, "Who can help me?" The boy looked at her. The girl looked at him. This is where the story begins. I think we can rhyme.
I have the time.
Come take my hand.
We can walk on the sand.
Wait, are there dinosaurs over there?
Maybe T-Rex in its underwear. First, let's say hi to Jack and Jill.
Are they on top of a hill? By the way, who is Jack and where is he from?
I don't know, but he is a failure without bubblegum.
What? That's just weird.
He did not disappear. He just fell and broke his crown.
On the way down, did Jill frown?
Yes, if Jack had put gum on his shoes, he would have never fallen.
And made the news.
The x-ray proved more than a scratch.
It's getting late, and I don't have a match. Here's a gift basket of fruit for you.
I'll chew an apple when the sky is blue.
Help me!